Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, Mike Foster here. We have tortillas, use your flour. We have enchilada sauce. No, I didn't make it. I got it from Las Palmas. Red and green. Look how beautiful they are. This is the fake stuff. This is Gardein. This is the fake beef. And I'm not kidding. This is going to be a vegetarian. Oh, he fell. Little cheese. This is from Tillamook. This is some good shredded cheese. We got some black beans, some black olives, a little olive oil. All right, I'm not saying I made everything, but I'm going to put it all together. Mike Foster here. This is a vegetarian killer diller enchiladas. It'll be cheesy. It's going to have some good fake ground beef. It's going to have black olives. Yeah, I showed it. Why do I have to keep repeating myself? I'll put this baby together and show you how fast, simple, and easy it is. I've got the oven ready at 350. Put this baby together. So the first thing you do is you take some of the green salsa, enchilada sauce, and the red, and you mix them together. And then you take the tortillas and you drench them in there. And once you get them wet, you fill them with whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to put some of that fake ground beef, a couple of these black olives, and some of these beans. And then you're going to roll it like this, and then you're going to put it, follow me, in the pan just like this. Oh, you put it right here. No matter where. And you're going to fill this whole thing with that concoction. And we'll do another one for you. Just show you how it looks. You dip it. See, that baby was dipped. And then you add your fake beef. You can add anything. You can add cheese. You can add, anything you want. Then you're going to put these black olives in. And you're going to put these beans in. Then you do the old rolly. And then you put that baby down right here. You see that? Next time you see this thing, it's going to be filled with enchiladas. Then I'll show you what I do next. And then what I do is I just finish up everything that we put on there. Just if there's any leftovers. That's a little of the ground fake beef. We got little beans. We just got a few black olives. Smoke them out. I don't know what that meant. Then you take the rest of this liquid that we used, put that in there. Then you add more liquid, just you want to cover it. This is the greenie, if you know what I mean. That's my favorite. That's made out of tomatillos. And you put some of this red sauce in here. All right, I like as much a little in the corner there as possible. And that's it, you throw it in the oven. Are you kidding me? This is the best part. Now you take this cheese and you just cover the whole thing with cheese. Just cover it. I think we need more. That's why I brought the bag out. Just want to cover this whole thing with cheese. I got that oven set for 350. It'll be so nifty. I'm going to pop this in. We're going to check it at 20 minutes. And I will see you then. Bop. All right, you can see the timer just finished. This has been the first 20 minutes. Let's get down there. Open that baby up. Let's just see how it looks. I really don't think it's ready yet, but we might as well just take a look at it. There it goes. All right, so here's what you do. So you see it? You can test it. It's still a little juicy, McLucy. You can see it. It's getting nice and heated though. We're going to try to burn this off. I'm going to put it up to 400 degrees and give it at least another 15 minutes. We'll see you then. I know it's ready because I looked at it. Look at it. And I stole a little piece right there. Look how good that thing looks. Oh, that thing's gorgeous. I get another pot holder. All right, there you see it. I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes and I'm going to tuck into these babies. Oh, there's the finished product. You can see the cheese is nice and browned. Oh, that's it. Vegetarian enchilada. Oh. You saw the ingredients. Can't wait for the big bite. The sound you hear in the background is my wife's fountain. Big bite coming up. Okay, here's a close-up. Closer up. Oh, don't hit the camera. That's stupid, Mike. We'll see how it tastes. Here's a big black olive. That's what she said. Let's get into it. You can taste that cheese. Oh, that was good. The enchilada sauces are gorgeous. One day I'll do a video on how to make your own enchilada sauce, but until then, those are great. Watch the sodium. Oh, the corn tortilla is perfect. That's nice and hot. We got black beans, the fake meat. It's plant-based. Oh. Again, that cheese is a jack and pepper jack cheddar, which is gorgeous. This is very hot, but awesome. I'm using a spoon, so I don't miss a bite. Oh, that's perfect. It's still Corona time, still COVID time. It's still whatever you have in your cupboard time. It ain't over, guys. Focus on it. Wear a mask. Be safe. And check out my videos at Live Life 365. That's really all that matters. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Baba. Hold on. Don't get excited. Where are you? There I am. Putting it in the oven now.
Well, what else can you do?
Oh, it's really nice. Better work. I meant what I said. There's all these people that think that it's... I can eat this whole thing. My wife's supposed to come out and show me for dinner. She's going to say, why aren't you eating? And I'm going to say this. Because of the sweet babu. That's what I'm going to say to her. And she's going to tell me to get lost. Yeah. And know what I'm going to say to her?